What's your style when it comes to planning your lessons? If you enjoy a clear path, walking the class through a well-structured sequence of resources, you sound like someone searching for a map. If you prefer surveying all options, creating highly customized lessons or units, you're probably more of a menu person. No matter your approach, you'll find what you need with iCivics. Our resources can be used as complete and comprehensive units, or you can pick individual items to support your teaching style and content. You're in control of what and how you teach. Whether you use them as a map or a menu, our scope and sequence documents are a great starting point for your classroom planning, and also have links to help plan your semester or year. First, let's take a look at how to use the scope and sequence as a map. If you like to chart your teaching from A to B, the iCivics scope and sequence is the map you've been looking for. We've curated our content into thematic units, including our lesson plans, games, web quests, videos, DB quests, and more. It offers up a clear and organized structure that you can use to plan your semester and beyond. Our instructional flow is as intentional as it is comprehensive. You never need to worry about when or where to use a resource. It's all laid out. And if you're feeling adventurous, mix up your route. While our resources build and support an ongoing instructional experience, you can always integrate other resources. You can't break the scope and sequence, but you can make it your own. Tips for using the scope and sequence as a map. This approach is great for new or new to civics teachers and teachers looking for a new or improved way to teach a civics class. Use the iCivics Standard Search tool to connect the scope and sequence with your state's learning standards. Try to find time to take notes on a unit as you teach it. Would you change anything up? Did anything work particularly well? It's a huge help going into the next year. If selecting what you'd like from a menu is more your style, then you can pick and choose using the scope and sequence too. Each lesson plan, game, and tool can stand on its own. You can slip iCivics in with required textbooks, alongside other favorite resources, or as a cross-curricular bridge. The scope and sequence is also a great way to see the breadth of offerings at iCivics. Tips for using the scope and sequence as a menu. Use our website to search, filter, and explore all that iCivics has to offer. Make note of what you used and how it works. You can stick to your usual or order something new. Connect to current events by highlighting the civic structures behind the news. Pull civics into history, ELA, and STEM courses as needed.
When I start planning my year for my 8th grade civics curriculum, my first stop is the iCivics scope and sequence document. The scope and sequence document is incredibly helpful with pacing and to go through and pick out which lessons are going to be the most relevant for my curriculum and which lessons are going to be the most engaging for students. iCivics scope and sequence is always the first thing that is referenced as I'm planning out my year.
iCivics has designed our scope and sequence to save prep time, allowing more of your focus and energy to be applied where it really matters, with your students in the classroom.